All right, guys, beautiful sell signal showed up at 8:48 a.m. this morning, allowing us to start this calendar month with a huge winner. All right, guys and gals, so let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then I know you had a fantastic start to the calendar month, okay? Because the second half of the year starts right now. It is officially game on. And if the second half of the year is going to be anything like today, then wow, are we going to make a lot of money. Because I've told you guys repeatedly that we are in a day trader's dream. If you trade the market, or if you have any desire to trade and speculate in the market, then I truly believe that this market is going to give us some amazing trading opportunities. Literally, I think every day. And so let's get real. Everybody out there, okay, has their own trading style, trading techniques, trading system. There's a million trading systems out there, right? But I personally only believe in trend trading strategies, okay? I'm not much of a scalper. I don't like to call tops and bottoms, all right? I just like to go with whatever direction the market is trending. Now that works for me. Okay, I like it. A lot of my customers and clients like it. And in my humble opinion, I believe that I've come up with a very consistent and logical trading strategy. Case in point, okay? The main criteria of this trend trading system is this green and red color band. All right, I know you can see it. It's a very obvious green and red color band. And this thing that gets overlaid on top of your chart, okay? And this thing has one job and one job only every day, and that is to help you identify the prevailing trend at any moment in time. Whether it's at midnight, whether it's in the morning session, whether it's in the afternoon session, it doesn't matter, okay? And look, the way that I've programmed these signals and setups is to be what I call stupid simple, right? This is a system and a trading methodology that you should be able to teach a 6-year-old, like literally a kindergartner should be able to understand the signals, right? Because it's all color coded, right? I mean, it's pretty simple. When this color band, aka the vol, all right, that's the name of this indicator. It's called the volume indicator. When it's red, it tells you that the sellers are in control. That's it. And so the prevailing direction is to the downside. And when it turns green, yep, you guessed it, it tells you that the buyers have decided to step in, and from this point on and to the right until the next color change, right? From this point on, the buyers are in control, and there's a better chance than not that the market's going to go up. Make sense? But that is not where we stop, right? Where we go further and deeper than any other trading system out there is to teach you guys about the power of retracements. All right, guys and gals, just trust me, man. If there's one thing and only one thing that you take away from this video, and maybe even the rest of the year, all right, the rest of the remaining 6 months of this trading year, if there's one thing that you take away, it is my sincere hope that you learn and you master the power of a retracement trading strategy within the context of a trend. You understand? It can't be any old retracement. It's got to be within the context of some sort of trend. And that's where this volume indicator really shines, right? Because if it's red, you've already nailed the potential direction. So once you've identified your bias for the day, aka in this case at 8:48 a.m., right? We were playing it to the short side anyway. And so from that point on, all we're waiting for are these locations, right? This nice little pullback right here. Now, what's a pullback? Well, look, guys, it's simple, okay? It's any area or location in the market where after a nice downtrend, it comes up a little bit, peaks its head above the color band, and then gives you a nice color match, okay? This is a red reversal bar against a red color band, and that red reversal bar is above the band. Makes sense? So it showed up here, all right? The pattern and the condition was true here. This was a perfect short signal at 8:48 a.m. on the nose. But I guess if you missed that one, then the pattern showed up again a second time around 9:15, 9:16 a.m. as well. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So is there anything confusing about this strategy? No, I don't think so. Is there anything complicated about this strategy? Again, no, right? And that's what I mean when I say I feel, and I'm convinced of this, that I've come up with something so powerful and so incredibly spot on, in my opinion, with its ability to, predict these retracements and pullbacks, that I don't think any other system can even compare to what I've put together, right? I mean, look at this. Let me do you one more. All right, let me do another solid. Just look at the power. Like if I zoom out today, all right, just look at this beauty. Let me just quickly go ahead and clean up the chart a little bit, okay? Just so you guys can get a grasp and a handle on the entire day's price action. And I dare you to tell me if your chart looks better than mine, right? I mean, this thing turned red all the way back here, right? You guys can quite clearly see this. I think this happened around, I don't know, 6:45, maybe 7 a.m. Okay, so for those of you guys that are aggressive traders and you like trading the color change, man, you guys probably had a 5-figure day, all right? Especially if you were really aggressive, okay, which I'm not, okay, full disclosure. I am not an aggressive trader at all. I like to play my trades a little bit more conservatively, and that's why I go out of my way to just only search for, identify, and pounce on these exact setups right over here. This is why I consider retracements to be the perfect setup, all right? So yeah, guys and gals, I want to give a big shout out to all of my new clients who recently onboarded over the last couple of days or weeks. Could not have asked for a better day to get started with a trend trading system and a trend trading style. And of course, to all my long-term clients and customers who've been with me forever, man, hope you had a phenomenal trading session. To everybody else, man, strap on your seatbelts, get buckled in for a wild ride. I think the second half of the year is going to be epic. I'm really hoping that every single day for the rest of the year is going to look like this. But like I said, all we can come to do every day, guys and gals, is show up with a good attitude, come prepared, try our level best to look for only the best and most perfect trading setups each day, and keep trying to crush it with this beautiful volume indicator. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.